What does it take to get an investigation into multiple serious felonies if your last name isn't Trump or Kennedy or secular?
Well, I mean, here's the thing. I think you got a situation where you got to look at it.
I don't know what the hell he's doing. He's been like that for about at least the last 5 minutes. He's chewing on something. But he's just hunched over with his head kind of upside down, closing his eyes. He don't look good. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, now he's kind of coming to two here. Oh, he keeps on dropping his head. Ooh. What the hell was that? He just hit his head.
That's what I want. Good to see you all. Thank you for being with us. And up next on this busy breaking news night tonight here on Hannity.
There is no reason we can't repeal and replace Obamacare. President Trump is serious about this. When will the Republican senators get on board? When will they put aside the self-righteous BS and do what we sent them to Washington to do?
Amen. Tommy Larry is up next. She has the final word tonight and all week right here on Hannity as we continue.
Well, it's 9:54 on Tuesday, the 18th. I don't know, he just doesn't seem right over there. And he's on his pleasure perch.